Once all the plates are gone, the food and the hugs and the condolences and the condolences, can't talk today. Once all of the food plates and all the condolences cards and everything are gone, there are still things that need to be taken care of. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Coffee with Coletta. Your today's caffeine dose of life insurance is about something we have kind of already talked about. We've already talked about this in different ways, but it just keeps coming up. So of course, you know, my thing is I want to let you guys know, I want to educate the community on the basis of life insurance is what we do here on this channel. We simplify everything so that you can understand the basics. So life insurance is not just for the dead, right? So that's the question. Is it just for the dead? Well, the answer to that is no. Because you can use it for different things while you're alive. So there are living benefits. Now, of course, it does depend on the type of life insurance that you have. So there's different types of plans, okay? So you definitely want to speak with a specialist, a broker like myself, or even someone else. Make sure that you are talking about a plan that includes those living benefits, okay? But if you cannot do daily activities for yourself, you can actually use it for that as well. If you have to be put into a nursing home, some type of living assistant, you can use your benefit towards that as well. If you have a heart attack or stroke, which a lot of people don't know, different things like that, you can also use your life insurance to cover some of those different things that you're going to need for that, okay? Remember, I have to let you know, it doesn't come with every type of plan. Make sure that you have the correct plan in place. Again, that's when you're going to want to speak to someone about that, okay? So yes, you can borrow money, which is usually a last minute type of deal. Depending upon what kind of plan you have, it may or may not have enough in there. Secondly, the other thing is living benefits. Like I said, if you have a heart attack, if you have a stroke, if the doctor gives you only so long to live, 12 months to live or something like that, if you need living assistance, you can use it towards those things as well. Also, remember, even if you need to put things in storage, all of those things. So once all the plates are gone, the food and the hugs and the condolences and the condolences, can't talk today. Once all of the food plates and all the condolences cards and everything are gone, there are still things that need to be taken care of. So you want to make sure that you have life insurance. So again, to answer your question, no, life insurance is not just for the dead. So grab your coffee, hot chocolate, or tea, and guess what? Get a plan that you can call your own. So if you have not already, log on to the website, coffeewithcoletta.com. You can click the link in the bio that will let you know a little bit more about myself and what I specialize in. But that's the answer for the day, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed your caffeine dose of life insurance. And until then, make sure you subscribe, follow me wherever you're seeing this video at, and share with your family, followers, and your friends. So talk to you guys soon.